Here I've got Alcatel 5V, and let me show you how to enable night mode on the following device. At first you have to open the list of all applications, scroll down, find and select the settings. Now let's go to display, and here you'll notice night mode. Open this icon, just click on this icon, and here you can either manually enable it right now, so simply tap on it, and as you can see, night mode is active. You can change the temperature of the colors, so you can pick some cooler or warmer, so it's up to you. You can personalize it, but you can also switch it off and automate schedule it. So for example, you can add some schedule plan. You can pick the automatic one, which is from sunset to sunrise, or you can set it up by yourself manually. So let me pick, for example, the start hour. Let me pick 11 and then turn off at 5 o'clock. So from now on, between 11 and 5 next day, your night mode will be automatically activated. So you do not have to worry how to enable it. It will be automatically done. So that's it. This is how you can use your night mode, how you can enable it either automatically or manually. Of course, you can switch off the option by tapping on this switcher. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.